Hello everyone. Today I have a 1989 Ford F-250 extended cab long bed 4-wheel drive. This has got the 7.5 460 fuel injected V8, automatic, power windows, power locks. Runs good, lot drives. Pretty clean truck. It's got 410 gears. Nice and clean inside the bed. It could use some tires. Front seats are made for a big boy. It's got a lot of room in there. So if you're big, you're gonna have no problem fitting in this one. Truck's been sitting for a while, so it'll need some general maintenance done. Underside, super clean, rust-free shape. It's got stainless steel running boards. It's got a lot of peeling and faded paint. This mirror needs fixed. Not bad. So if you're looking for a project, 89 F-250 3/4 ton 4-wheel drive. Runs good, lot drives. Send us an email, give us a call. No trades, no financing, and no test drives. You bring a trailer, and you can drive this one up on your trailer. Thanks for watching. Bye.